extraordinary. Something's got a hold on me. I get this feeling I'm in motion, sudden sense of liberty. I don't care 'cause I'm not there, and I don't care if I'm here tomorrow. Again and again I've taken too much of the things that cost you too much. I used to think that the day would never come. Let's see the light in the shade of the morning sun. My morning sun is a drug that brings me near to the childhood I lost, replaced by fear. Used to think that the day would never come, that my life would depend on the morning sun, that the day would never come. When I was a very small girls talk to me. Now that we've grown up together, they're afraid of what they see. That's the price that we all pay. Our valued destiny comes to nothing. I can't tell you where we're going. I guess there's just no way of knowing. I used to think that the day would never come. Let's see the light in the shade of the morning sun. My morning sun is a drug that brings me near to the childhood I lost, replaced by fear. I used to think that the day would never come, that my life would depend on the morning sun, that the day would never come. I feel so extraordinary. Something's got a hold on me. Again, this feeling I'm in motion, a sudden case of liberty. The chances are we've gone too far. You took my time and you took my money, and now I fear you've left me standing in a world that's so demanding. I used to think that the day would never come. Let's see the light in the shade